to make a crop top. So if you have a bunch of clothes back home and you're like, I don't like them anymore, don't throw it away. If you have a boring big size t-shirt, save it and make it a crop top. I'll show you how. All you need is this t-shirt and a scissor, okay? So to make sure you don't cut it too short, you have to like see, and if you have big chest, make sure it will cover them, okay? So maybe something like here. And you know what I do? I make a little cut. Oh no! Okay, let's go. Take it off. Where is the hole? Oh, there it is. Okay. Then you just put it on the table and you cut it. And if you do want it shorter after the first cut, you just make it shorter. Uh-oh, here we go. Shoop, shoop. Okay, I will just fold it so I make sure I'm on the right path. It looks okay. Oopsie, both. And it will be wise to have a good scissor. I'll fold it over one more time. Oops. As I mentioned, have a good scissor. What is this? Okay, let's see. Is it cropped enough? Yeah, I think it's perfect. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and if you have anything else you would like me to show you, please comment below. Bye!